Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the right menu quickly. Open your My Player or My Career Hub, then go straight to Profile or My Player Edit and find Animations or Motion Style. Once there, you'll see preset options and any purchase styles you can preview before committing. If you lack a purchase style, make sure you have VC or the required badge unlocked, otherwise pick a default. This first move sets the rest of the change: immediate, deliberate, and reversible if you need to try another style. Once you're viewing styles, preview at least 3 that match your build and role. You want timing and momentum that complement your speed and badges. When you find the right fit, hit apply or equip. This writes the change to your player immediately. Then make sure to confirm and exit the menu. Don't forget to run a short drill, scrimmage, or quick game to test animations in real play. If it feels off, return and try another preview. Swapping is fast and keeps your gameplay consistent. To finish, lock in the motion style and save your My Player, then restart your session if you notice any glitches. If animations stutter or desync, make sure your game is updated and your console or PC cache is cleared. On PC, check graphics drivers. If the new style conflicts with badge behavior or accessories, revert to a default style, adjust badge setups, and reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, switch to a basic style, save, restart. Then try the preferred style again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.